Kscope 2015 in Florida.
Hi, I'm John King. I'm here at ODTUG Kscope 15 in Hollywood, Florida with Joe Huang from Oracle, and I'm going to ask him to introduce himself and what he does for Oracle.
Sure. My name is Joe Huang. I work for Oracle for a few years now. I'm part of the outbound product management team at Oracle for Oracle Mobile Platform, meaning that I work with partners and customers to evangelize Oracle Mobile Platform.
A lot's going on at Oracle this year with Oracle, not just Oracle, but middleware and the mobile platforms.
Yep.
What would you say is the most exciting thing to you?
Oh, it's definitely it's on mobile and cloud. And the most exciting part is the mobile, the building up of the Oracle Mobile Platform and the service that we're offering. As you know, we started with Oracle Mobile Application Framework as one of the first offerings for building mobile applications. We're completing that with a complete end-to-end mobile story in the cloud with the Oracle Mobile Cloud Service.
Great. I know I was in a session yesterday, they were talking about Java Cloud Service and a lot of other cloud offerings coming out of your group. So what should I look for there?
Java Cloud Service and Developer Cloud Service is already out in the market, and these are going to be continuously refined as the time goes along. But the big announcement that are coming up pretty soon, and in my opinion, the most exciting part is the mobile cloud service and all of the work around it. It's a very strategic effort for Oracle to build a mobile platform. And what we're trying to do is, rather than starting with an on-premise solution for enabling mobile, we decided to go straight to the cloud, using the latest JavaScript, Node.js, open standard technology to building out these services.
That's great. I know, ODTUGgers, you just got a sneak peek on Larry Ellison's big talk later on today. So you got to hear first. The ADF space is getting pretty stable. But I know they've got something to do with all the web offerings as well, don't they? The cloud stuff.
Yes. So for ADF, and especially for building a web application, our focus is definitely on building out a set of offerings that are not just for hardcore developer, but also enable the less technical person in the company to quickly be able to build out the application. So the scenario that we're seeing is that developers are still doing the hard work, building component, and this is also true for a new offering that we're coming out with as part of the mobile cloud service, is to enable developers to build out these high-level components. They still do the hard work of connecting the UI components, the list and the charts to the back-end enterprise data. They still have to configure the difficult endpoints, but then it will allow the business user to very quickly take these high-level components and compose an application. So
would this be like building out a data mart or a star schema in a BI environment so that the data has been mostly crunched and sort of in the form the user is going to want?
That's part of it. And also the other part is just having this wizard-driven user experience to allow these less technical business users to be very quickly build out a application, whether it's for web application that runs on a desktop browser or tablet or natively on a mobile device.
That's exciting. I know there was a new release of the Math product recently. What were the big features that I should look for in that?
Well, there's a number of them, and I actually have a session, I believe it's on Wednesday, to talk about some of these new features. So first of all, a lot of it has to do with just modernization to the latest Java platform, Java 8, and also using the latest Cordova version so that you can use all of the tens of thousands of the latest Cordova plugin in the Math application. The other thing that's really big that's coming out is a tight integration of mobile cloud service. So a lot of work was done to make sure there's a seamless development experience to build a client application using mobile application framework to access mobile cloud services, as well as integrating with mobile cloud service security mechanism.
Great, and you'll be talking about that on Wednesday. Do you happen to know what time that is?
Oh boy, you caught me there.
I don't know either. I feel bad that I didn't research it.
Yeah, you have to look at the schedule.
For people who can't make it here to Florida, where can they go to find out more about Math and the mobile cloud service and the other offerings?
Sure, so the best place to go is, I would say two things, and I'll also make a plug for one thing. So the place to go, very simply, is www.oracle.com/mobile. So again, it's www.oracle.com/mobile. And also the other place to look for is later today. This is at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Pacific. Larry Ellison, as John, you mentioned, will be unveiling a few of the a new Oracle platform as a service offering. Okay, so he's going to unveil not only Oracle Mobile Cloud Service, but also Oracle Integration Cloud Service. That allows you to very quickly integrate and exchange data declaratively between multiple enterprise applications, as well as Process Cloud Service, basically taking the workflow to the cloud.
Oh, nice.
And all of these three cloud services will work seamlessly to deliver a seamless experience. And of course, for the part that I'm really interested in and dear to my heart is the mobile cloud service, being the mobile gateway into the Oracle platform as a service and also software as a service.
That sounds great. I know we're here in lovely Hollywood. Did you get a chance to get out and play in the beach at all?
Regrettably not yet, but I did have a chance to walk around the grounds and check out the pool. It's a very nice pool. It's a very great great place, and I love the location. I came from Bay Area, so I say I love the weather except for the humidity. But certainly it's very nice at night, because in the Bay Area it gets very cold and gets to 50, 60 degrees even in the summer.
And the water's very warm here.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Not so much in the Bay Area.
The Bay Area, you basically have to put a wetsuit on if you want to jump into the ocean. You'll freeze to death. Yeah. That's why these, I don't know if you've seen these movies, we're getting off the topic, Escape from Alcatraz. They could never have made it because the water is so cold.
Well, thanks for being here. Great. Thanks for taking the time to see me this morning.
All right.
Thanks for giving us stuff that you can only hear at ODTUG first.
All right, thank you.
Thanks again. Bye.
Bye-bye.